Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple Lego butterfly knife. As you can see here, I made one. I just made it, so I don't know really any of those cool tricks that those people do with it, but yeah, this is it right here. I guess I'll teach you how to make it. This is very simple. What I did is I just cut off a few pieces right here, if you can tell. Doesn't really look like a blade, but if you have like one, and if you have one that looks like a knife, then sure, put it on. But let's take it apart. Alright. So first up, I grabbed two things. Well, not things, I'll just show you. They look like this. Give you a few seconds to look at it. About two of these, and you're gonna need some tiny Lego pieces that look like this. And then what you're gonna need is about one of these. I don't know what they're called. About this big, if I can get it. And then a piece like this. And another piece like this. So first up, what I did is I got this piece right here. And this. Just push in like that. Then I put it in there. And I take this other side and attach it to there. Like that. What happens is it will flip. As that happens, this will go up. But, you know. And then I got these pieces. Just stuck one like this. And did the same to the other side. And if it kind of looks like that, just squeeze it in. Make it even. Alright, so now you have this, like your handle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece like this. If you have something like this, like right here, this would come in handy because then you can just snap that on and then there it is, and then just I'm still learning some of those flip moves and then just do it like that. I mean, they're really fun to play with when you get the hang of it. It's just a simple, very simple Lego butterfly knife. Sorry. And that was my tutorial on how to make one. So thanks for watching. I'll show you later.